Bullying is a repeated, unwanted, and aggressive behavior that emotionally or physically harms another student. It is a serious issue that impacts the lives of students every day.
Bullying can be damaging, but with education and awareness, it can be prevented at school, online, and in neighborhoods.
All during the month of October, ASD will be sharing ways that we can address and prevent bullying in our schools.
Nationally, 1 in 5 students are bullied, but 5 out of 5 students could help prevent that.
How? When you see bullying, tell a trusted adult.
If you see something, say something. Make sure you report it to your teacher.
Parents and guardians, if you suspect your child is the target of bullying or displays bullying behavior, please reach out to your child's school. Reach out to your child's teacher, school counselor, or administrator. It takes a team approach to help prevent bullying.
This October, ASD schools will participate in Unity Day to encourage kindness, acceptance, and inclusion at all of our buildings.
Unity Day is all about the supportive, universal message that bullying is never acceptable behavior.
This is a time when we join together against bullying and unite for kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. Students at ASD schools will be allowed to wear orange and participate in bullying prevention activities throughout that day.
Take a pledge with us. This year we pledge to support others who have been hurt or harmed.
Treat others with kindness.
Be more accepting of people's differences.
Help include those who are left out.